In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Upwork. Whether you're a freelancer looking to streamline your payment processes, or you're just starting out and need to set up your account details properly, the step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, let's navigate to the Upwork website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Having all necessary login credentials handy is essential at this point. Once you're logged in, move your cursor to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on that icon to open a drop-down menu. You will then see a list of options. From this menu, click on Account Settings. It's important to access this section because this is where you manage all your account-related information, and it's the gateway to other important settings you might need to adjust later. Next, locate Billing and Payments on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking on this option will lead you to all the payment methods you have on file, allowing you to manage how you receive and send money through Upwork. Now look for the option that says Add a Billing Method. This is an important step because you need to ensure your bank details are correct and up to date to avoid any issues with receiving payments. From here, you'll see various options for billing methods. Since we are looking to add a bank account, select the option that reads Payment Card. Take a moment to verify that this is the correct selection. This step is crucial, as choosing the wrong option could delay your ability to receive funds. Now it's time to input your bank details. Be meticulous as you fill in the required fields. Double check your bank account number, routing number, and any additional information it asks for. Mistakes here can cause delays in receiving payments, so accuracy is key. Finally, once all your bank details are entered and double-checked, go ahead and click on Save. This finalizes the addition of your bank account to your Upwork account. It's always a good practice to review one more time after saving to ensure that everything shows up accurately in the system. And that's it. Adding your bank account on Upwork is now complete. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime, whether for updating information or just a routine check. By following these straightforward steps, you're ensuring a seamless payout process, paving the way for a smooth freelancing experience on Upwork. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for additional tips and guidance on navigating Upwork and other platforms.